Okay, Bosco. Say hi to the camera. Don't move him around, will you? Backing out. Hey. How you doing, Goofy? How you doing, Goofy? Clean his nose a little bit. His nose is a little bit dirty. You get him close shot? Goofy, Goofy, Goofy. See? Gonna pet him. That's something he wants to backs out. He's being goofy. Being a little goofy. That's why I got the gloves on, so he don't scratch me. Hey. Behave yourself, will ya? Say hi people on the camera. Go hi. He likes that camera. He wants to eat it. Ah. I tried petting him. He always backing out. Go away.